So this is the update for Friday, the 10th of September. And there was no dividend payments today, so I'm going to add 3 of the renewable energy dividend stocks into the mix. My throat is very sore, so my voice will be quite low, unfortunately. I've come down with something. But I'll take you through the process of how I add them. Into the 2 Excel sheets. So if you want to do this with your own stocks, what I'd usually do is find, say, Brookfield Renewables. So throw euro in for now. So it's in the US, ticker symbol is BEP, trading for about $40 per share in the electric utilities industry, but it's an owner and operator of a portfolio of assets that generate electricity from renewable resources. Its dividend yield is close to 3%, but it does have a negative earnings per share at the moment. So what I need from this is the name, ticker symbol, the country, and the industry and sector. So into the first one. I think I've made a little gap, yeah. So Brookfield Renewables. Ticker symbol was BEP. It was in the utility sector, in the USA, and in the electric utilities. So, the websites I use to get my information for dividend stocks are either Dividend-Max, which is great for the UK and for Europe, or the NASDAQ website, which gives a nice dividend history. So I generally don't even look at how much they're due to pay. I just wait until they pay me so I know how much it is. Because the exchange rate on the platform could take some or could add some. And if I plan based on this, I could be disappointed or potentially surprised. But what I need from this is the frequency of payments, which there's 4, so quarterly. See, I've put €1 in. This section here, I don't know why these are all blank, but this is for a return of capital. So when you get a return of capital, it's a tax-free event, and it takes from the amount of money that you have in. So if I have €3 in this stock, they've given me back 6 cents tax-free, which I can then send to go off and earn its own dividends. But it's not income, it's a return of your money. So you don't put it in over here with income, you put it in as a minus for returns. And once this becomes 3, then it starts getting taxed. So this section is the last dividend, which for Brookfield Renewables will be empty because I'll wait till I receive one. That's the return of capital. This is how much they paid per share in the return of capital, but this is how much I've received because it comes off what I've put in. Then property income, demerger, or bonus dividend. And in here is just however much I've actually received in euro from each company. So Brookfield Renewables was quarterly, and it pays on the last week of 3, 6, 9, and 12. So go to March. The last week of 3, 6, 9, and 12 is BEP. Let's add one in here. BEP. And BEP. A lot of them pay in the last week of every quarter. A lot of companies. And then I add 4 more up here. And that's it. So now all I have to do is wait to receive a dividend. I'll know how much it's received, and I don't really have to watch the company from now on because I have no intention of selling, no matter how high or low it goes. And I have so little at risk that if it gradually decreases down to 0, then I will have lost a few euro. So it's an unusual strategy, but we'll see if it works. But that's the whole process. So that's the first one I'm going to add. The second one I will add will be Clearway Energy. Ticker symbol is CWEN. Trading for $31 per share. It's also electric utilities, a renewable energy company. Dividend yield of 4.41%. Clearway also pays a quarterly dividend, and I haven't received one, but according to this it's about 30 cents. Well, up to 33 now. And the last one I'll add today will be Premier Miton Global Renewable. Ticker symbol is PMGR. Trading for about £1.80 per share. It's in the miscellaneous financial services industry. It's formerly known as Premier Global Infrastructure Trust. It's a UK-based investment trust focused on investing principally in the equity and equity-related securities of companies operating primarily in the renewable energy sector. Its dividend yield is 5.16%, and according to Dividend Max, it pays a quarterly dividend, and according to this, it was 1.75 pence per share. And that's it for today. So I hope this was useful, and I'll upload I think there's a couple more companies here I have to invest in, and then I'll upload the breakdown of all my renewable energy dividend stocks.